Yes. Okay, well, bye. Alrighty, so I know what you're buying. Oh. Now I'll see the price of it. I'll go ask. How much would that be priced? $200. Okay. Well, the price of this roll of tape is $200. Wait, for just a tape? Yes. Really? Well, sorry, your daughter touched it and almost broke it, so yeah. Oh, good. Fine, I'll go check it out. Can't believe my daughter did this. Oh, yes. What would you need? I'm gonna have to pay for this roll of tape. That's $200, miss. Really? But that's, I can't believe it. Hey, you're not paying attention. Oh, sorry. Beep. There, you can go now. Oh, and first give me the dollars. Here. Over here. Give them $200, which is all what I had. And hello? Yes? What do here? Well, did you break anything here? No. I never break stuff. I love this place. Well, then you have to go because it's closed right now. The stuff that you broke, you have to buy. But I did broke something. I know you haven't because we would have caught that on camera. Well, I actually did broke that. Wait, never mind, you have. It was this. And I'm going to ask what the price of it is. much is this? That is $800. Well, it is $800.
Thank you.
Now go check it out. Oh, wow. Oh, I can't believe I have to go here. Oh,
It's closed because I was going to buy something.
sorry, it's closed. It's
Wait, but
only the stuff that you break here you have to get.
But I still broke some. Oh, I like this toy, but it's open where I get something.
Yeah, when we're opened.
Oh wait.
Come on, open. Oh, finally opened.
Wait, I see ya. Come on, Mom.
Ew, there's a kid.
Ow! You want me? Yeah.
Hello? Yes, I know what you're buying here. It was something very expensive. Now, I know the price of it already. The price of it is $8,900. Wait, what? Yes, that is how much it is.
Miss.
Really?
Hey,
Yes, really.
Well, this is a girl, boy. Lady, here, it's open or closed?
Closed.
All right, bye.
Well, better go check it out. Okay. This painting is weird though. Wish I never ever had a sugar rush in a store.
Well, this is
Okay. Give me $899, I guess. Give me the price. There we go. I guess I'll be going.
That's a bear. No. Wait, everything is good here.
Oh, gotta go to the elevator. Gotta get in the...
is this? Activator. Oh yeah. Hello?
Yeah, I heard you the first time.
Yes. How? So, I guess I broke something here. Oh, yes, the guitar. Which was $900. Very expensive. Okay.
I want to break this thing, but yeah, I don't want to break no stuff in here. I go be kicked out. I do.
Well, how much has, alright, here's the dollars. And have a good day, miss.
I still was broke.
Is this place even still opened?
Mommy, wait for me.
Okay. Why would you break something here? It's very expensive here.
I did broke nothing.
Then why did I... Oh, never mind. I bumped into something and broke it. Hello? How much of the price is that toy that I broke on accident? Well, it's $800.
Mommy, who
Okay.
is that for?
Well, now it's gonna. I guess it's gonna have to be for you.
Yay. Oh, the whole squishy toy.
Ouch. Alright, that's, as you already know, it's $800 here. Let's go.
It's a squishy.
Okay. Well, you broke actually two things here. You broke, well, three things. You broke these, which is it's probably gonna be a lot of money, and you also broke this. Well, it's $1,000. Wait, what? Yeah. Fine. Okay. I'll go to the.
What her star?
Why did you break that?
Okay, it was two.
You're buying that. It's $800.
Wait, and I'm going to give you money to you.
I'm just gonna steal this stuff.
I steal it.
Wait, what? Guards? Where are my guards? I think. Where are they?
Me a
Dang
God.
it.
I want God.
Okay.
What do you need?
Somebody stole something for some reason.
Sorry.
Oh.
What's over here? I do that way, yo. What's it do?
Hello everybody, I hope you liked our YouTube channel of our LPS here. So yeah, I hope you subscribe, hit that bell button and notifications, and I hope you subscribe. So one part might have to get cut out, so yeah, that was kind of weird. By the way, I just found this cute little outfit. I like it. It's freaking
I
awesome
like it
and
too.
By the way, that was not my name. My name is LPS Raindrop. So yeah.
Sorry, I said it to my kid. It was Bella and Vivi.
Okay. By the way, Vera and Vivi are actually just having a sleep over here. So yeah. You should check LPS Sugar Heart now. That video out. So yeah, I hope you subscribed and yeah. Okay, everybody.
I like that too.
Okay, anyways, this is just kind of weird going on here.
I
Okay,
liked
well,
it.
bye.
Yeah, bye, and get a big old thumbs up.
Okay. Alright, bye guys. This video was with my sister, by the way. So, yeah.
And this is my mommy, and this is my daddy, of course.
Okay. LPS Raindrop.